Basically, we're going to start with the first drum beat you'll ever learn, ever, right? Right hand on the hi-hat, so this is your hi-hat, right hand on your hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum, right in front of you, your foot on the bass drum, okay? On this hand, on my right hand, or left hand, if you're a left-handed drummer, we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The snare drum is going to come down every time you say 2 and 4, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's your left arm. And then your foot's going to come down every time you say 1 and 3, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you can try this all together or separate. I'm just going to separate everything off here. Okay, so I'm going to start with my bass drum first, okay? So leaving the left hand down, get rid of that. I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I'm going to add the snare drum in. I'm going to get rid of the foot. I don't want to think about that one. I'm going to get rid of the foot. 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, when I've practiced them a couple of times just by myself, then I'm going to add them all together. I'm going to squeeze them all together, okay? And I'm going to start off really slow, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now once I'm comfortable, I'm going to try and kind of speed this up just a little bit, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now just note something. What I'm not doing is I'm not pushing down into the hi-hat. Really quite loose, okay? Really, really loose on both hands. The snare drum, I'm actually hitting and allowing the stick to come back off, like this, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The bass drum, I'm using my heel to come down. And I'm putting all of that together and I'm just going to practice that. 10 minutes a day, just practicing this over and over again. Okay, it gets that right into your muscle memory, and that's what you need to start off drumming.